Listen to me carefully, Madridistas. This video is for true Real Madrid supporters only. Before we go any further, flood the comments with "Ala Madrid" for the love, the pride, and to congratulate our warriors. Which club in the world can pull off such a comeback in just 7 minutes? Only one. The king of football, Real Madrid. Leganés dared to open the scoring early in the match. They woke the beast. Kylian Mbappé, the most dangerous striker in the world, equalized with a monstrous shot. A few minutes later, Mbappé once again fired another missile into Leganés' net. Magical attackers, warrior midfielders, a defense stronger than ever, and the most loyal supporters in the world. Real Madrid is the king of comebacks, the king of Spain, and the king of Europe. Madridistas, flood the comments with "Ala Madrid" to celebrate our legend. And remember, we are kings for eternity. Listen to me carefully.